Now if we talk about our night skincare routine, first we will wash our face, then apply Kamree's niacinamide face serum. If you are struggling with the sunburn, open pores and acne scars, then Kamree's niacinamide face serum is for you. The main ingredients of these serums are niacinamide, alpha-arbutin and sodium hyaluronate. These ingredients help you to decrease the pore size. It minimizes the appearance of acne marks, blemishes, dark spots and pigmentation. Enhance the skin texture, promote more balanced complexion, provide intense hydration and promote smoother and plumpier skin. So if you are facing any of these problems, then this is the best serum for you. Friends, apply vitamin C face serum in the morning and niacinamide face serum at night. Once your serum is fully absorbed in your skin, then apply the Kamree's under eye cream. This is specially crafted to tackle your under eye concerns. This under eye cream is enriched with potent ingredients like sodium hyaluronate, caffeine and apple seed extract. This advanced formula is designed to banish dark circles, diminish fine lines and reduce puffiness, unveiling a brighter and more youthful under eye area. Dispense a very small amount of cream onto the roller ball. Using the roller ball, gently roll the cream onto the skin under your eyes. After applying the cream, use your finger to gently pat and massage it onto the skin. Use under eye cream twice a day as a part of your daily skincare routine, after applying the serum and before applying moisturizer or sunscreen. You can start using under eye cream in your mid-20s or early 30s. Once under eye cream is fully absorbed, follow with your favorite moisturizer. So friends, these are the top 5 Kamree skincare products which I am using currently. The results are visible. I definitely recommend you to buy it once and you see the results. And I'm sure you will love these products.